I'm Yuna. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be making, I bet it's going to be one of your favorite recipes, which is, you're looking and like, are you just going to show me how to bake a box cake? No, we're going to take it up a notch and make cake pops. So, like I said, I don't need to show you how to bake a bakery box or box cake. It all shows you at the end. So I'm gonna save some time, and I actually went ahead and baked some last night. So it's all here. It's so beautiful. And today we're gonna make red velvet cake. So the red velvet cake is gonna be inside of this white candy melt. So let's get started. I have non-stick pan over low heat. You know what? Before I get started on that, so make sure, by the way, you bake this like the day before so that it has enough time to cool. When it's like super hot, I mean, I guess it doesn't matter, but it sounds weird to have like warm cake pops, right? So it's pretty simple. I have this entire sheet right here and about a quarter cup of cream cheese frosting. You can use vanilla frosting, but I love cream cheese frosting. So just gonna go ahead and get that out of the measuring cup, and we're gonna get very dirty here. Are you ready for some dirty work? Oh yes. So just use your hands, because I think it actually works the best. So we have our cake mix. It's being all mushed up, and this really helps the cake crumbles bond together. All right, wonderful. We have it all ready. And what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna start to kind of put this cake batter to a corner, because we're going to make some balls here. So grab about that much. Like, trying to just vision your, typical Starbucks cake ball. So do that and make sure it's like as round as possible. Set that aside, and you repeat until we have many balls. Okay, so we have about 8. I'm gonna make 10 and then kind of start with that. I've made all the little balls. Now it's just time to melt these. It is candy melt. It smells just like white chocolate. So it looks like little coins, right? So candy melts, you can buy chocolate candy melts and white chocolate melts. Just let it melt very slowly. You see that? Oh, yes, you do. Okay, so we're looking pretty good, and you do not want to burn this, so make sure you simmer it on very, very low. Dunk it in, put it on the parchment paper, and it'll harden pretty quickly. So once I have this made, I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about 5 minutes so that the outside is gonna be super hard and nice and not freezing the cake part. So I'll be right back. Okay, so after it's been in there in the fridge or freezer for 5 minutes, it's already super hard. You can see, like, I can just lift it off. Oh my gosh, just how I melted it. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I mean, people are gonna appreciate the extra candy melt around it, right? And it aesthetically looks very pretty. So you can make all kinds of different shapes. Some of them I just left it like a half of it. It looks like it has a little cute hat on it with sprinkles. And then I have some full ones here so that people can have the full-blown experience with this cake pops. So I think that's definitely a crowd pleaser type of dessert, because people can just like grab and go, right? So I hope you make this because it is so easy. You need just 3 things. Make this any cake, any box cake, red velvet, chocolate, even brownies would be so good, or Oreo cake. And yeah, candy melt, just melt it in there. Once you bake that, put some, this is definitely the key to bond all your cake together. Without this, it's gonna like crumble apart. It's gonna be a disaster. So keep that in mind. And then it's an optional thing, but sprinkles, because they just make it visually just so pretty. So that is it. I hope you enjoy it and enjoy the summer. Thank you for watching. And if we're not connected on Instagram, I am at Yuna Cooks, and just like my YouTube and anything else. So let's connect. I'll see you later.